Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to get the app and jump straight into a file. Open the App Store, install PowerPoint, then sign in with your Microsoft account so files sync. Once signed in, grant storage permissions so the app can open and save presentations. Allow microphone only if you plan to record narration. Next, tap the New Presentation button to start a blank slide or choose a template. These initial steps connect your phone to the cloud and set up editing capabilities. Now you'll build and polish slides. Tap text boxes to edit. The contextual toolbar lets you change font, size, and color. Use short, clear headings for mobile viewing. To add visuals, tap Insert, choose Picture, Video, or Audio, and pick from your device or cloud. Pinch to resize and drag to reposition. Use Layout to swap placeholders and design ideas for instant, mobile-friendly styling. Make sure to save frequently. Changes usually auto-save, but manual save confirms everything's synced to your account. Finish by previewing the slideshow to check transitions, timings, and animations so your pacing is right. Once satisfied, use Share or Export to save as PPTX for editing later or PDF for universal viewing. Choose OneDrive or local storage depending on where you need it. When presenting from your phone, enable Do Not Disturb and connect to an external display or cast if necessary. If media won't play, make sure permissions are enabled. Reinsert the file, or convert the media to a compatible format before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.